fraud trial conviction could be death knell for Trump Organization. The conviction of 2 Trump Organization companies for tax fraud and other crimes could prove insurmountable for former President Donald Trump's hotel and real estate businesses, which are likely to face challenges in lining up lenders, insurers, and government contracts, according to legal experts following the ruling. It spells doom for the Trump Organization. I really see it as a death knell, Bennett Gershman, a professor at Pace University's law school and a former prosecutor in the New York State Anti-Corruption Office, told CBS Money Watch. It would be implausible for any responsible lending institution, bank, insurance company, or institutions that provide financial support for companies to have anything to do with the Trump Organization now. The verdict, handed down on Tuesday, found the 2 companies, the Trump Corporation and Trump Payroll Corporation, guilty on all 17 criminal counts. Although the Trump Organization could face up to $1.6 million in fines, legal experts said the penalty is negligible compared with the potential impact of collateral consequences, especially for a business that relies on banks and insurers to operate its hotels, golf courses, and other properties. A criminal conviction will impact the ability to get licenses, to borrow money, to get insurance, to do business with anyone, said Cornell University law professor Randy Zeland. Who wants to lend money to or insure a convicted felon organization? There will be statutory disqualifications because of the convictions. The Trump Organization didn't immediately respond to a request for comment. By contrast, the immediate financial consequences of the criminal conviction are relatively minor, Zeland said. For instance, the $1.6 million fine is unlikely to make much of a dent to a business that booked $2.4 billion in revenue from 2017 to 2020, according to Forbes. While the Trump Organization was found guilty, former President Trump himself was not charged, and lawyers representing the company said he was not involved. But Zeland said the impact of the conviction on his companies could yet have long-standing repercussions. The parallel consequences are probably the worst, he said. With the conviction, the pending New York Attorney General's case will go on a fast track. The AG now has set in stone proof of fraud. New York Attorney General Letitia James has indicated the verdict could have bearing on a civil case being pursued by her office. Her office conducted a parallel civil investigation and assigned 2 prosecutors to work on the Manhattan District Attorney's probe. While the criminal case was tightly focused on executive compensation, the civil case, filed in September, accuses the company, Trump and 3 of his children of a widespread, years-long effort to commit fraud and manipulate property valuations. Zeland noted, it's the NYAG who has the power to kill the company, adding that the conviction may also signal that Trump is no longer Teflon Don. When the civil case was first filed, an attorney for Donald Trump said the lawsuit is neither focused on the facts nor the law, rather, it is solely focused on advancing the Attorney General's political agenda.